So we have ourselves a release date for the Google Pixel 10 Pro Fold. August 20th. Not bad. So this is kind of common from last year's release and the year before that as well, for this release being August 20th, but I was thinking like maybe they would push it back to September. No real reason to do that though. Keep in mind, OnePlus is not coming out with their foldable phone this year, so there's really no other foldable phone that's coming out after, the Z Fold 7 other than the Google Pixel. So at this point, Google really has the ability to release this whenever they want, and there's really no one they're competing with. Sometimes companies will try to release foldable phones early to try to beat out another company. There's no other company that Google is competing with, so it really is whatever they wanted to release it, they can release it. Now, my assumption is that they were going to get this out a little bit later because they were going to hope to get a little bit closer to the holiday season. August 20th is not the holiday season, but it's kind of like the preempt for the holiday season, so I kind of expected them to push this back to September, again, because there's no other phones coming out, that they could just, get this phone out as close to Christmas as possible to try to take all those sales, because by Christmas, I feel like the Z Fold 7, amazing phone, don't get me wrong, but it's not going to be the hotness once this phone drops. Google Pixel 9 Pro Fold is the best phone on the planet, so I'm expecting the 10 Pro Fold, which is supposed to be 7% better, is also going to be really freaking amazing. So, yes, it's coming out with the Tensor G5 chip, which, again, is just going to be amazing. It's going to look very similar to the 9 Pro Fold. There's not much of a difference in that capacity. It's just going to be a different chipset. Again, as I said many times, I recommend not buying a foldable phone this year, waiting till next year, because this year it's kind of a down year for foldable phones. If you're on, like, let's say, I don't know, a Google Pixel 1 or a Google Pixel Fold 1, then yeah, sure, why not get the 10 Pro Fold? But let's say you're all the way, I don't know, if you're on the Z Fold 6 or something, I'd probably recommend waiting. If you're the 9 Pro Fold, wait till next year, get the best of the best, especially how many of these foldable phones cost, because this is also going to cost your typical $1,900. I know the Z Fold series now is $2,000, but it's going to cost right around the typical price tag, so I recommend waiting, in all honesty. But tell me down below your thoughts, opinions. See you guys next one. Peace out.